Hello children. Now let us understand the story after 20 years. So the opening of the story reads that a policeman is on the beat. On the beat means the policeman was patrolling along a deep people street. Now what is the meaning of deep people street? जहाँ पर बहुत कम लोग दिख रहे थे because it was a cold chilly winter night and the cold chilly wind was blowing that night. Except one or two shops, the business places have been closed. At that time, he spots a man with an unlighted cigar in the doorway of the hardware store. The policeman gets the information from the man that he has been waiting for his friend as they had made an appointment before 20 years. Now, can you think 20 years is a very long time, and they had made this appointment to meet after 20 years here at the particular spot where this man was standing. The man informed the policeman that they had met at Big Joe Brady's restaurant. What was the name of the restaurant where they met for the last time 20 years back? Big Joe Brady's restaurant. The policeman informed him that the restaurant was now torn down. What is the meaning of torn down? Means it was demolished. उसको तोड़ दिया गया था 5 years back. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं बच्चों. While walking, the policeman could see the face of the waiting man closely. The waiting man tells the policeman that both the friends have decided to meet at this place no matter what their conditions might be. The policeman inquires whether they haven't corresponded, यानी कि उनकी ये इतने टाइम में बात होती थी कि नहीं, etc. in these many years. The waiting man replied that हाँ, 1-2 साल तक तो एक दूसरे का ट्रैक रहा, फिर उनका ट्रैक छूट गया. After listening to him, the policeman goes away. So children, what was the name of that waiting man? The waiting man's name was Bob and his friend's name was Jimmy Wells. We come to know from the conversation of waiting man that Jimmy was a plodder. Now what is the meaning of plodder, children? One who works very slowly, steadily, but without any imagination. Okay, so that person is known as a plodder. He was very confident that if Jimmy was alive, he would come to meet him on time. Who was confident? Bob. And as he was confident, after a few minutes, a tall man comes there and introduces himself as Jimmy. The waiting man was happy that his friend has kept the appointment. Bob was full of egoism when he was talking because he was very successful, while Jimmy only listened with interest. Both of them, arm in arm, start walking and stood at the corner of a drugstore, brilliant with electric lights. There, the waiting man could see the newcomer's face and suddenly realizes his arm, saying, "You are not Jimmy Wells." Giving the reason, he says that 20 years is not such a long time to change a man's nose from a Roman to a pug. अब children understand that a Roman nose is थोड़ा बड़ा होता है रोमन नोज और पग नोज मतलब थोड़ा छोटा. तो अब बॉब क्या कहता है, 20 इयर्स है, लंबा अरसा है, मगर इतना लंबा टाइम नहीं है कि आपके रोमन नोज, एक बड़े नोज को एक छोटे नोज में बदल दें. Then the tall man declares that he has been under arrest for last 10 minutes. Then he gives him a note. The note was from Jimmy Wells, the police officer who met him before. That note reads that he could identify him to be the man most wanted by the Chicago police when he struck a match to light his cigar. तो ये नोट किसने दिया उसको? वो पुलिसमैन जो एक्चुअली में जिमी वेल्स था. Now this is the twist in the story, children. एक्चुअली जिमी ही वो पर्सन था जो पेट्रोलिंग कर रहा था बट बीइंग हिज फास्ट फ्रेंड, बॉब का खास दोस्त होने की वजह से ही कुड नॉट अरेस्ट हिम. तो उसने क्या किया? ही हैड सेंड अनदर पुलिसमैन इन प्लेन क्लोथ्स टू arrest him. So we were talking about the O. Henry's twist at the end of the chapter. तो यही ट्विस्ट ओ हेनरी ने आफ्टर 20 years में भी मेंटेन किया कि जिमी वेल्स आया वहाँ पर अपॉइंटेड प्लेस पे, बट जब देखा कि बॉब वॉज अ स्मगलर, ही वॉज नॉट अ गुड मैन, ही वॉज द मोस्ट वांटेड पर्सन बाय द शिकागो पुलिस, तो उसने उसको अरेस्ट करने का ये नहीं दिखाया. वो नहीं कर सकता था अपने फ्रेंड को अरेस्ट, बट हिज ड्यूटी वॉज टू अरेस्ट हिम. तो उसने क्या किया? प्लेन क्लोथ्स में एक सिंपल पुलिसमैन को वहाँ पर भेज दिया विथ अ नोट फॉर Bob. I hope you understood this chapter very well.